Odd man out. 1. Look at the pictures. Tell the English words. Which word begins with a different sound? A. चित्रे पहा. इंग्रजी शब्द सांगा. वेगळ्या ध्वनीने सुरू होणारा शब्द कोणता? First set of pictures is this. This is a cock. This is a parrot. This is a cat. And this is a cap. Cock, cat and cap. All the three begin with C. Whereas parrot begins with P. So, parrot is the odd man out. Second set of pictures is this. This is a doll. This is a doctor. This is a table. And this is a dog. So you can guess the odd man out. Correct. Table is the odd man out because doll, doctor and dog all begin with letter D. Next set of pictures is this. This is a fish. This is a fan. This is a frog. And this is a pot. Which is the odd man out? Right. Pot is the odd man out because fish, fan and frog all begin with letter F.